This is TWiT.
Batterygate settlements. Get ready for your bag of pop chips. If you know the serial number of your old iPhone 6, 6S, SE, or 7, you can submit a claim. You may get as much as $25 back. This is because, as Apple revealed in 2017, they slowed down iPhones. Apple said it was to keep them from crashing as the battery life dwindled. They got dinged. There was a class action lawsuit. Apple agreed to pay up to $500 million, although denying any wrongdoing. Submit your claims to a website set up by the United States District Court for the Northern District of California, but you will need that serial number. INRAE, Apple Inc., Device Performance Litigation, case number 18-MD/2827/EJD. So I
got the Quebec one a year ago, I think. We had a distinct one in Quebec.
Did you get money?
It kept spamming me with money, but it's like it's so little money for so much effort that like you don't do it, and then I assume that that's their plan to begin with.
Right. So if you don't know the serial number, you may be able to locate your serial number by filling in the information like Apple ID, device type, first name, last name, street address, city, state, and zip code, and then maybe they can find it for you. So that's good. You don't have to remember your serial number.
They have the database. They can
do it.
Perhaps do the lookup.
Yeah.
If they see it.
Sir, that's a Samsung phone. Could you please stop submitting it? Sir, please stop submitting.
Let me just try.
But it's slow. Yeah. I thought that's what this was about.
But it's still slow. It's Apple's fault. They should pay.
I had all of these. Does that mean I have to do 7 of them?
Yes, sir.
If you want all 7 bags of pop chips.
Bucks.
Oh,
pretty good.
Okay. First name, last name, street address. Oh my God! All right. Search. Yes, I would like to use that corrected street address. Does not match our database. Please double check. Okay. Let's see. What else did I have?
Exterminate.
I only have to do does not match our database.
Dance like a monkey. How much do you want this money? Dance.
Okay. I only had the plus sizes, so that should make.
Gotta dance in your jammies first.
Does not match your database. None of them doesn't match. So you lose, Leo. No $25 for you.
Yeah, the attorneys get to keep your money. So
never use my home address. I always use the company address. Oh, the brick house. Of course. I wasn't here. When was this? When was this iPhone 7? This was a long time ago. Yeah. What was the brick house address? 140 Keller? Right. Oh, I'm going to get my money now, man. Oh, here it goes. We do not compute. We do not match. None of it. None of them. I can't get any of them.
I wonder if you'll wind up making more than minimum wage on this rebate by the time you get it.
None of them match. Okay, what else could it be?
This is why I never did mine.
Oh, my God.
They're counting on that.
I mean, who would have your serial number unless you still had the phone?
You don't keep a database of all your serial numbers? Maybe in a LastPass note or something?
Actually, I do now. Believe it or not, I actually do now. Yeah. No. You know, my mom still has her iPhone 6. I could probably get some money for Mom. No recognition at all. None. So there you go. I did it so you don't have to.
Well, it's really, really important that the people who have been maligned by Apple on this aren't allowed to, in exchange, take advantage of the situation by doing something that no one can possibly figure out what they would possibly do under whatever motivation. But still, it's important that you do these validations correctly.